Hello, lovely people. My greetings to everyone. This is your girl Akpeje. Today, I'm here to share with you how I make lasagna. Do you like lasagna? Have you eaten some before? If yes, let me know at the comment section. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. So here I'm trying to make my tomato sauce. So I bought the tomatoes. I'm going to blend it and put it down. For now, I add some oil inside the pot. Then I'm trying to fry my ground beef. So I'll fry this until it turns brown. And I'll try and break it and make it small. So now I'm there. So I'll just go ahead and add my chopped onion and then garlic. Then I'll fry it like 1 minute to 2 minutes. So here I have my seasoning: oregano, paprika, cumin powder, complete seasoning, and then I add it to the meat. I mix it very well. This is my tomato sauce. I add it to it and rinse inside the blender and add it to it. Then I'm mixing everything very well. Then I'll cover it to cook. So guys, while the sauce is cooking, let me start making my white sauce. How do you call the white sauce? Oh, I don't know how I'll call it, so I call it white sauce. So I add about 3 tablespoons of butter and then 3 tablespoons of flour. Then I add it to the butter. Then I'll mix this and fry it like 2 to 3 minutes. So now I'm adding fresh milk. I'll add 2 cups of fresh milk. Then I'll be mixing this continuously so it's thick, just like this. It's ready. So I will season it with some salt and black pepper. That's my black pepper. So I'm seasoning it. Then I'll mix everything together very well. Then I'll off the fire. Now it's ready. So now I'm adding some seasoning salt to the meat sauce. The meat sauce too is ready. At this point, the aroma in the kitchen is very killing. So that's my cheese and then my flat pasta. So my sauce, everything is ready. Let me start. So I'm adding the white sauce. I'm spreading it under the baking pan. This will make the pasta not to stick under the baking pan. So I'm arranging the flat pasta on it or lasagna on it. Then I'll add my meat sauce and make sure I cover all the pasta just like this. Now let me grab my white sauce, then I'll spread it on top and try to mix it with the meat just like this. Not too deep, you not go too deep. I'm just mixing this at the top. Then I'll mix it just like this. Then I'll take my cheese now and spread it on it. At this point, you need a lot of cheese. Do you like eating cheese? It's very nice. Me, I love it. So I'll repeat the same process until I finish. So me, I'm going for 3 steps. So this is the second step. Then I'm adding the meat, spread it on top, then mix it a little with the meat sauce. and I'll add my cheese. And I'll go for the third step. Guys, are you loving what you are seeing? If yes, I know I'm not perfect, but support your girl by subscribing to the channel. Give your girl a thumbs up. And please don't forget to tell me the place you are watching from. So now I'm done. I'm adding some toothpick. I'm putting it inside. I'm using like 6. Now I'll take my foil and cover it. Then I'll put it in the oven like 30 minutes. What do you put inside your lasagna if you are making? I want to know. Please tell me at the comment section. So 30 minutes later, let's see what we have here. Ta-da! So guys, this is how you look like. It's ready now. I'll just let it to cool down, then I'll share it. They love it. My boys love it a lot. So in 1 minute you will see everything has finished. I told you. Can you see that? It has finished already. They didn't even let me to take the video before they finish everything. So this is how it look like. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.